Have you read a book review or seen someone reading one? Like some readers, perhaps you have a favorite part in a book you've read. But when it comes to writing a book review, if you write about only that favorite part, would the finished product be interesting? Let's learn about the parts and features of a book review and see for ourselves. The parts of a book review are the introduction, book summary, analysis and evaluation, and conclusion. The introduction of a book review includes the author and title, as well as the book's type, theme, and some background information. Award winning writer Ricky Lee captures the taste of the masses through his fictional novel, Si Amapula sa 65 na Kabanata. Prepare yourself as he tickles your mind using Amapula's wit and humor, as she navigates heroic struggles in being and becoming complete, however conflicted and reluctant she actually is. What do you think is the implied theme of the book based on the short introduction? The next part is the summary, which depends on the book's genre. If you will write a review of a nonfiction book, you may cite direct quotations from it to give a brief background of the material. But if you will write a review for a fiction book, you have to provide an overview of the book without spoiling the story for the readers by providing a very detailed account. For example, if you will write a summary for the story Si Amapula sa 65 na Kabanata, your summary may include background information on how the character became a hero, without revealing all the particular events in and ending of the story. Of course, a book review will not be a review without the analysis and evaluation. In this part, make sure you write the description of the book, yours and the author's opinion, issues raised in the book, and arguments compared to other books. For instance, check this example. Exploring with Amapula made me question myself, my decision making, my attitude toward others, and my role in society. It made me ponder on two issues. First, in what ways can we relearn how we should act as voters and leaders? And second, do we need to have an epic manananggal hero just so we would see the impact of scarier things? Poverty, graft, and corruption caused by our lack of understanding? Amapula is indeed a good read, as it does not just entertain but also challenges its readers to reflect on their own actions and perceptions. If you were to write a book review, how would you want to end it so you can reiterate your views and persuade readers? Do this by closing your review with a clear and summative conclusion. Make a direct comment containing synthesized issues raised in the book, and give advice to potential readers on whether to read the book or not. You may also include a catchy phrase from the book that would make the readers curious. Remember that a book review is brief and concise, subjective, and uses informal language. Since reading a book review is like eating an appetizer before the main course, the writing should be concise but rich. This means that although the review should be kept short, it should contain enough information to help readers decide whether they should read the book. Then, as you consider how your writing is influenced by your personal taste, you may use a more conversational tone and insert slang, which will appeal to a wider audience. Now that you know the parts and features of a book review, you can better understand how writers of book reviews capture the interest of their audience from the very beginning up to the last part of the review. Do you think writing a book review is easy considering its features? There are more factors to consider when writing a book review. You'll learn about these in the next lesson.